Good morning, children. Today our Narayana live classes key dated on 20th June 2020 for the class 7th. The topic is Rains and Rivers Part 2. So in this lesson what we have learned? We have learned about the rains and rivers and because of the rains what it affects into, what it leads into. So because of the heavy rains it leads into the floods. So floods. What is the meaning of floods? It will be raining continuously for many days. So what will happen? This river water that will rise. There will be rise in the level of the river water and this river water will be flowing outside and it leads to the this is known as floods. So the first question here is the common phenomenon during the rainy season. So what is the common phenomenon during the rainy season? Floods. So here in this the option is option C, floods is the correct answer. Second question is, so the worst cyclone. So in our Andhra Pradesh also we have been affected with this cyclones many times. So the worst cyclone in our Andhra Pradesh is occurred in which year? It occurred in the year 1977. So here the option A is correct. So because of this cyclone, many people lost their life, many people lost their property. So it was the worst cyclone ever occurred in our Andhra Pradesh. So the worst cyclone in which year it has occurred in our Andhra Pradesh? It occurred in the year 1977. So here the option A is the correct answer. So during this cyclone, third question, what is the third question? During this cyclone, the mostly affected area. So which place is mostly affected because of this cyclone? So in the coastal area, the name of the place is Divisima. What is the name of the place? Divisima. So option C. So the mostly affected area during this cyclone, which cyclone we are talking about? 1977 cyclone in our Andhra Pradesh. The mostly affected area during the cyclone is Divisima. So here option C is the correct answer. So next question is these floods will be occurring commonly. So this flood disaster, it will hit mostly which people will be affected because of the floods? Especially which people? The poor people will be affected. Okay, the poor people will be affected during the floods. Why? Because the floods they will be living in the huts. Many of the poor people they will be living in the huts. So all this flood water will come into their huts and because of the heavy wind sometimes these huts will be also moving out. All their belongings will be damaged because of this floods. So the fourth question is who are the people who are mostly affected during the floods? So what is the answer here? The poorest people. So here option A. Next fifth question is identify the correct statement. So we'll get the floods and these floods will recede back and it will be leaving all the slit, means it will be leaving all the waste. So after sometimes the flood water, what will happen? It will low down and it will come back to the normal position and it will leave all the waste, all the dust onto the land. And second question is water is, because of this flood, what is happening? All the way water will be getting polluted. Okay. And the third option is what? We find water everywhere. We can find, we'll be finding water everywhere because of the floods. But is the water we can drink? No, the water cannot quench our thirst. Means if we are feeling thirsty also, we cannot drink this flood water because the water is polluted. So all the three options are correct here. So option D, all are correct. Sixth question. What is the sixth question? Nowadays it is easy to predict the cyclone. Means before only we are knowing when the cyclone is going to occur. So there is one department, children, meteorological department. This meteorological department, it will be studying about the weather conditions and it will intimate us. So when the cyclone is occurring. So this department will be early warning. So what is the option here? The predicting of the cyclone before only. By which department? By the meteorological department. How it is telling that the cyclone is going to occur from this area, from this place. So what is that? We are easily predicting the cyclone before only. So what is here? The option is early warning. Option A. Option A, early warning is the answer. Next, coming to the question. So, how does the cyclone affect the life of the fishermen? So, what is happening to the fishermen? Many of the fishermen, they are losing their livelihood. Lose their livelihood. So, what is happening here? The fishermen, there will be they can't go to the into the seas for fishing, so they won't be getting the money, so it will be affecting the fishermen. And some of them, they lose their equipment. Lose their equipment means what is happening here? They, because of the heavy rains and heavy winds, the winds sometimes they take off the ships into the oceans and into the seas. So what is happening? They lose their all their equipments. They lose their boats. They lose their ships. So they cannot have their they cannot go for fishing. So because of the cyclones and because of these floods, some of them, they lose their equipment also, and some of them lose their life. So some of the fishermen, suddenly when they go for fishing into the sea, what is happening there? Suddenly it leads to the cyclone may occur. Heavy rains and heavy wind will be blowing. So sometimes the boat may fall upside down and the fishermen may lose their lives. So some of the fishermen will be losing their lives because of this, because of the cyclones. And next is, some of them will be affected with many diseases. Affected with diseases. Because of the what is happening, especially in this rainy season, or because of the cyclones, the water get polluted, and when we drink the polluted water, it leads to the diseases. Okay. So next question is, take the what are the precautions during the cyclone? So what are the precautions we should take during the cyclone? So first one is, we have to regularly watch TV and radio. TV and radio news should be regularly watched. Okay, TV and radio news should be regularly watched. And if the sometimes the people, some people will be living in the low lying areas, means near to the rivers, they will be living. So these people should be shifted to the high lying areas. So low lying areas, people should be shifted to high lying areas. High lying areas. Next thing is what? See, because of the cyclones, because of the floods, what is happening, children? We won't be getting food. Okay? We won't be getting food. So we have to store the food and even the water. Because of the cyclones, the water will be getting contaminated. We have to store the water and the medicines. So storage of food, water and medicines. Next thing is that we have to keep our documents safely. We have to keep our documents safely. So, children, do you remember in the year 2018 in the Kerala, floods has occurred. Out of the 14 districts in the Kerala, 13 districts are completely affected with the floods. Many people lost their life, many people lost their property. So it was the worst ever occurred floods in Kerala in this century it seems. So like this, because of the what is happening, the overflow of the river water. It is completely affecting the people life, loss of property, loss of animals life. So these floods are very, it affects the human life very much. Okay children, hope you have understood today's topic. Thank you.